Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the system ready. Turn on location in your phone settings and choose high accuracy so the game gets precise GPS. Once done, update Mobile Legends in the store and make sure needed services like Google Play services or Apple location services are healthy. You should also disable battery saver or restrictions. Otherwise, the app won't run location in background. This prevents the app from losing permission when idle, which saves time and avoids repeated troubleshooting. Now you give the game explicit access. Open Mobile Legends or go to App Info in System Settings and find permissions. Tap Location and pick Allow while using the app, or Allow all the time if you need background features. Once you toggle Background Location or Precise Location on, close Mobile Legends fully and relaunch it so the change takes effect. This ensures the game can read GPS immediately and avoids in-game prompts that block matchmaking or location-based features. Finish by confirming the change inside Mobile Legends. Open the game settings, find privacy or account location toggles, and enable them. Then run a quick test, join a lobby or start a match and look for location-based cues or matchmaking improvements. If the app still can't access GPS, clear the app cache, reboot the phone, and try again. Reinstall the game only after that. One key troubleshooting tip: if location fails persistently, check system privacy restrictions or enterprise profiles that block location.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.